Assalamu alaikum scholars, you are listening to Ziaur Rahman. Today we will deliver our understanding how to insert the data from SPSS software into the MOS software for conducting the CFA and to perform the SEM. So in this lecture we will tell you only how to insert the data in continuation from the previous lecture in which we deliver our understanding how to draw this research model. I am moving forward to insert the data in these variables. So you need to click on this button, select data file, and then you need to click on file name, and then you need to locate the file in your system. And in my system the file is located at here. So this is the file which I have inserted in it, and then view data. So yes, and then click on OK. So after that I need to insert the data in these items, in these error terms, and in these variables. So data is already inserted from the SPSS to the MOS software. So you need to click on this button, list variables in the data set, relocate the file at here. You can see that first of my variable, which is Entrepreneurs Trust, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and these are the 6 items. So simply you can drag them and place them here. Simply you can drag them and place them here. You can drag them and place them here. So you need to do this for all of your variables the way I am doing. Then there is a second variable, which is the information transparency. I have 7 items. I am doing this by simply dragging the data into the items. So you can reshape, you can change the shape of this window where the data is available from SPSS to in the MOS software. So I have dragged all the items in my items here. So then I need to click on it here and name parameters. Plugin, name unobserved variables. So these have been assigned the names. So you can change these names. Entrepreneurs Trust ET. And then you can also change it, Entrepreneurs Information Transparency, and then here SES, Socioeconomic Success. Resize observed variables, and so this is the way you can treat them. And now I am going to click on the calculate estimates. MOS is calculating the estimates, and he has performed the results for me. So here the results it has shown to me. All these are the results. So today's lecture is only about how to insert the data in a MOS software from SPSS. The next lecture will be how to interpret these results. You are requested to please see our next lecture, which will be about what are these results, how to interpret these results, and how to to see the standardized and unstandardized results. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.